As the moon rises, he sits by his fire, just to think about women and glasses of beer. Closing his eyes as the jockeys retire, he sings out a song which is soft but it's clear, just as if maybe someone could hear. He says, good night, oh you moonlight lady, rock on my old sweet baby Jane. It's deep greens and blues for the covers I choose. Won't you let me go down in my dream? Oh, my rock-a-bye, my sweet baby Jane. Now the 1st of December was covered with snow. Yes, and so was the turnpike from Stockbridge to Boston. Berkshire's they seem dreamlike on account of that frosting. 10 miles behind me and 10,000 more to go. There's a song that they sing when they take to the highway, a song that they sing when they take to the sea, a song that they sing of their foreign sky. Maybe you can believe it, it might help you to sleep, and singing seems to work fine for me. So good night, oh you moonlight lady, rock on my sweet baby Jane. And it's deep greens and blues for the covers I choose. Won't you let me go down my dream? Oh,